My friends, here's a little unboxing on the Cuisinart Classic 7-piece metallic color stainless knife set. 7 blade guards included. Let's open this up, shall we? Okay. Say caution. Blades are not in blade guards. Open package from this end. So I guess you kind of watch out you don't cut yourself. Kind of just push that up and pop that corner, I guess. Alright, enough playing around. Here's the first one. And that's the 8-inch chef knife. Look at that bad boy. It's beautiful. I don't know if it's full tang or not. Let's see how sharp it is. That's pretty sharp. Alright, so it goes in its little container here. Try not to stab myself through the hand. There's knife number 1. Knife number 2, 8-inch slicing blade. Not sure if it's full tang or not. Cool looking knife. Let's see how sharp this one is. It's fairly sharp. Yeah, I'd have to say so. Put this thing in its sheath. All right. Knife number 3, you guessed it, 8-inch bread knife. I don't have a loaf of bread here, but well, I guess it's not too bad actually. Definitely a cool color, and there it is. All right, knife number 4 happens to be 7-inch Santoku knife, general cutting. Is that a little ding there? Maybe no. It's all right. It's okay. It's all good for chopping and whatnot. Definitely sharp. Also, my favorite color. Cool looking knife. I wish it said if these were full tang or not. I'm not sure, but all right. Knife number 5. There it is. It's a 5.5-inch Santoku knife, and I'm guessing it's just as sharp as all the other ones. Yeah, it is. There it is. Alright, so I picked this up and got it as a gift, but it can be picked up from Costco for I think about $20. Here's a 5-inch serrated utility knife, and that little bad boy looks nice. I like these serrated ones for like tomatoes, because sometimes tomato skins are kind of mushy, but these serrated ones really eat through them good. Alright, and least but not last, a 3.5-inch paring knife. What? This one was in its case. There it is. And it paired right through that one. Alright, so good looking knives here, my friends. Like I said, I wonder if these are full tang or not. Probably is, or else I could more than likely maybe, I don't know, bend that thing. But anyways, if you guys aren't aware, full tang means the metal runs the full course of the handle, which is really good because if you have cheap knives and you're cutting, if it's just sometimes a little bit, the metal goes into the handle maybe that far, and so if you're cutting down on something, it's not uncommon for the handle to break up here and bend up, you know. So full tang is definitely good. Okay, thanks for watching this little unboxing, my friends. If I can, I'll leave a link in the description below to this product. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.